In this video, we're going to talk about decimal to octal conversion. We already have some examples on the screen, so let's quickly jump into the examples. I'll write solution here. For our first example, we are told to convert 234 in base 10 to octal. So the way we simply do this is to create a kind of table. This will be 234, and then because we are converting to octal, we're dividing it by 8. How this will work is that we'll say 234 divided by 8. Or how many times can 8 go into 234? That is 29. Then we get the remainder 2. So 8 can go into 234 29 times and then a remainder of 2. We do the same thing again. We say 29 divided by 8. We have 3 remainder 5. Then we try to do the same thing again. Because we cannot get any 8 out of 3, we simply say 0 remainder 3. Then I'll be picking numbers from the bottom to the top, so that I can say this is 234 base 10 is equal to 352 base 8. So that's it for the first example. You can try the second one and the third one. For the second example, we are told to convert base 85 decimal to octal. So this is 85. I'll draw my table again, and then 8. Ask myself, how many times does 8 go into 85? 8 goes into 85 10 times, remainder 5. The same thing again. Ask myself, how many times does 8 go into 10? You know that that's 1's, remainder 2. Then ask myself, how many times does 8 go into 1? It cannot, so 0. Now bring down this 1 here to 1. Then I'll pick the numbers from the bottom to the top, so that I know that 85, therefore 85 base 10 is equal to 125 base 8. For the last example, I'll come here and say we're asked to find 678 base 10 to octal. So I'll divide it by 8. How many times do 8 go into 678? 8 goes into 678 84 times. Remainder 6. How many times does 8 go into 84? 8 goes into 84 10 times. Remainder 4. How many times does 8 go into 10? Once, remainder 2. How many times does 8 go into 1? It doesn't. So we write 0. Then we bring this number down here. Remainder 1. So we pick the numbers from the bottom to the top, so that we can say, therefore, 678 base 10 is equal to 1. The next number is 2, 4, 6 in octal. So that's it. That's how to convert decimals to octals. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.